Hello, welcome back. From now onward, we'll start discussing caching. So from now and next some few videos, we'll discuss about several types of caching. But first of all, we need to know what is caching and why we need to pay importance on that. So caching in Next.js refers to the practice of storing data or render content so that it can be served quickly in future requests. Say you are making one request, the request it will cached or saved. So if you go for further request, they will show it from the cache data without generating or fetching the same data again. So it will reduce the redundancy. This improves performance by reducing the need to compute or refresh data, speeding up page load times and decrease the server load. Caching is crucial in web development to ensure both scalability and responsiveness, especially when dealing with expensive or repetitive operation, like fetching data from APIs or performing complex calculation. So if you can save the data, it will serve quite easily and frequently and speedily so that your unnecessary page loads will be reduced. So your page will load earlier and that will give you a good user experience. Okay. So caching in Next.js 14. Next.js 14 or 15 places an even greater emphasis on caching mechanisms to enhance performance and scalability, especially in complex application with dynamic content. Some of the key reasons caching is important in Next.js 14 is that faster page loads. Okay, by caching static page assets and API responses, Next.js 14 can deliver faster page loads to users, reducing the time to first byte TTFB. Okay, it will reduce your time and it will give you faster page loads. Improve server-side rendering performance. With more efficient caching strategies, Next.js 14 can reduce the overhead of server-side rendering, making SSR page quicker to load without the need to generate them on every request. Then reduce API latency. API routes can be cached to minimize redundant calls to backend service, reducing the latency and improve throughputs. This is particularly useful for applications that frequently request the same data, product insight, or post. So it will cache these things, so it will reduce the redundancy. So you need not to request more for one thing. Enhance support for ACE function. Next.js 14 integrates more closely with ACE platforms, virtualized network, where caching plays a significant role. ACE caching ensures that content is served from server closer to the user, reducing the load on the main server and improve global performance. Cache control headers. Next.js 14 continues to support custom caching strategies using HTTP headers cache control. This allows developers to fine-tune caching for a specific page, static assets, or API response, making sure the content is fresh, built still performant. Okay. So why caching is important in Next.js 14? Performance and speed. So it will give you performance and speed. Caching reduces the time needed to fetch or generate content, improving user experience by delivering faster page loads. Scalability. Efficient caching decreases the load on your server and backend services, allowing you app to handle more traffic without additional resources. User experience. Faster page loads, particularly for frequent visited pages for API calls, result in a smoother, more responsive experience for users, reducing redundancy. By caching repetitive tasks or API responses, Next.js 14 minimizes the need to perform the same operations multiple times, saving server resources. Okay, so it will not go for frequent requesting. Instead, it will cache the data of fast request. So that's why server and page will be loaded as early as possible. SEO benefits. Faster loading time lead to better search engine rankings and improved SEO, which is priority for content-heavy website and applications. So these are the benefits and these are the caching. Caching means it is saving the data of your request. Okay. to reduce the redundancy. And we'll discuss mainly on the docs, and it's saying that caching in Next.js. Next.js improves your application performance and reduce cost. It will reduce cost by caching, rendering work, and data request. This page provides in-depth look at Next.js caching mechanism, the APIs, and you can use configure them and how they interact with each other. Okay, these are the several types of caching. There are high-level overview of different caching mechanisms and their purpose. First, request memoization, data cache, full route cache, router cache. Okay, and we will discuss every detail. Okay, so from the next tutorial, we'll start one by one. Okay, uh, on caching. So thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. A little bit announcement. You can get a tremendous and superb course. This is my course. MERN stack, Typescript, Ecommerce, Docker, RTK query, and along with deploy. It's a nice and huge course. So its price is $44, but I can give you for my students, I can give it only $9. Okay, so it will last for 5 days, but you will get $9. If the course is needed, you can contact with me, just $9.99. Okay, so it's a super course, tremendous course. So you will able to learn a lot of things. You will get TypeScript, e-commerce, Docker, RTK query, and deployment. So it is built on React 9.18, Node.js 20, and role-based automatic redirect. So I will give the discount link and coupon code and course link in the description box. You can come and check, and don't hesitate to grab the course. Thank you very much.